Hello everyone. Today we're going to introduce you my bag. Yes. Maria. I'm currently working and I cosplay as Mikuru. Yeah, that's my friend. And today I'm going to introduce my bag.
Dyed it.
Juicy. Yeah, this is my only bag that 可以见人的. Okay, let's check out what's inside. Actually, nothing. Most important is
什么鬼？原来死的东西在那边。
Contact lens lotion and also contact lens cover. It's very important.
Why are you confused?
Oh, this is a bag for my birthday present.
What do you put inside?
It's coin. It's just coin and my company card. It's a cat. And I got my key then with this very dirty Inakuma's friend. It's a bird. Yes.
Ew.
Yes, it's really by Yuan. She gives me
wallet.
With my idol Lin Junjie and Kaika, very small. Fei Lunhai also.
Fahrenheit.
And
Lin Junjie.
Yes.
And that's me.
Yeah, that's me and Peggy.
It's this way. Cai Mingyu.
Yes, he's a Taiwan singer.
Oh, you like him?
I think his picture is nice, so I
okay.
Just cut from magazine. I'm proud of this wig today. I think it's a combination of 2 wigs.
Wow.
Okay.
Although it's quite messy, but no choice. Actually, Peggy helped me a lot on the wig. We did 2 times before we can get this effect.
Wow.
It's 2 wigs. Actually, there's 2 colors. If you discover, it's like there's reddish, and then
this is more
black one.
Brownish.
Brownish and this more reddish.
This is more maroon.
It's more like reddish color also.
Yeah. So combining 2 wigs actually give it more volume.
Yes, volume is very important for Mikuru's hair. Just the hair is very volume. Okay, lastly is my handphone. I forgot that for my handphone. For message. Because I want to show others that I cosplay this character, so it's easier. So I bring around with a lot of cosplayer photos inside also. Yeah. Unfortunately, my camera not in good condition, so I rather use this to take it easier, and then I can take out anybody's contact. So you just bring it around, and then show people, yeah, your character is like this.
What model is this?
What model? Oh, this the Nokia with a 3G and 2 megapixel camera.
Oh.
It's a
okay.
Very common. Yeah.
So it's a Nokia. Okay.
There's a white and black version. Okay, bye bye.